Yeah, good morning once again. Happy New Year and season greetings to each and every one of you. This is Emily Green Farm, and I'm Mr. Wiseman. Thank you all for your support last year, during the last year farming. I believe that this year's farming is going to be totally different from what we did last year. Yeah, actually, I want to tell each and every one of you that this year I have gone out there to see a lot of people, a lot of farmers and customers who want to go into this farming system, and I discovered that there are so many difficulties most of these people are having in the society. And for many of you that wants to embark in this journey, I will tell you that the best thing to do in this year's farming is plan on time. Plan on time, plan ahead of time. You know that during this dry season, a lot of farmers had so many losses in this plantain farming. Most of them, their plantain couldn't survive as a result of lack of maintenance. I think this year should be different. I would like each and every one of you to give your time, give this year farming your best shot, because this farming is very, very lucrative business. It's very, very nice. When you go into this farming system, you will really enjoy it. Give it your time, give it your best shot. As you can see, this is my farmland. During the raining season, I still do my planting. During the dry season, I still plant. If you watch very well in my farmland, you will see that some of the plantain suckers are in between the tall ones. These are the ones I planted during the dry season, and they've grown. They've grown so big, at least to some extent. Before we go into the rainy season, the rain will assist in bringing them up. If you look very well, you will see them. You will see majority of them. They are just in between the tall ones. So these things, I know that many people don't really know the proper timing when to plant these things. In our videos, upcoming videos, will teach you people how to plant this thing, when to plant them, how to solve most of the problems in this business. Because if you are not skillful in this business, you have so many losses. Like, there are so many challenges in this plantain farming. There are so many challenges, but most people don't really know. Sometimes farmers will plant, and by the time the plantain grows so tall, few days or weeks later, it will just die automatically. You get the point? Some people encounter this problem, they don't know how to work on it. They don't really know the solution. But in our upcoming videos, we are going to tell you so many things about this plantain. We'll teach you people how to plant, when to apply your manure, when to transplant these suckers. You get the point? Sometimes most people don't really know when to transplant this plantain, because sometimes this plantain, after some years after planting, they will come to the top surface of the soil. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Their stem will just come at the top surface of the soil. You see many farmers, they keep adding sand to it. No, at this stage, your plantain is telling you and is letting you to know that it is time for you to transplant them. You get the point? So many things will be involved in this year. And this year, we'll be running a WhatsApp class for every farmers, for every individuals that wants us to assist them during this year farming. And we'll be there to assist you from your planting stage till your harvesting stage. When you give us a call, we will tell you the requirements to enroll you in this class. It's a very nice class. In that class, we'll teach you when to plant, when you are supposed to harvest. We'll give you the farm calendar for the year. You know, sometimes some people will tell you, please, when is the best time to plant so that we can harvest when the plantain is scarce in the market. All this thing has to do with timing. We'll give you tips on when to plant these things. Then lastly, how you will plant your suckers and harvest all at the same time. It is 100% possible. I know most farmers will be surprised. Some people will say, how come? How do we do that? So in our WhatsApp class, we'll teach you all these things. We'll teach you the measurement of manures to use while planting, when to apply them, how to apply them, and also some of these suckers that dies on time. We'll tell you what is really involved, what could be the cause. You know, so many things will be reviewed. You are free to ask your questions. We'll attend to you. There will be video calls. There will be live chats between Emily Green Farm and you as an individual. So just join the class if you are capable. If you know your place is far for us to come down to set up farmland for you, we'll still be there for you online, from your planting stage to your harvesting stage. So this year's farming is going to be a bomb. You know, so many things will be revealed to you. Even different species of plantains will be shown to you, how to identify a pure hybrid plantain. You get the point? So that is just all we are going to give you in this year, and trust me, this year I'm giving you the best. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, and also if you are trying to reach us, you can easily chat us up on 081-8833-5555, and you can also call us directly on 070-6343-1615. Thank you for watching. Lest I forget, we are in Owerri, because I know many people will be calling us to know where is our location. We are located in Owerri. Thank you for watching. Bye.